Earning money from YouTube is a popular way to generate income, but it requires dedication, creativity, and a strategic approach. The first step is to create a YouTube channel and choose a niche that aligns with your interests, skills, or expertise. Popular niches include gaming, tech reviews, beauty tutorials, cooking, fitness, and vlogging. Selecting a niche helps you target a specific audience, making it easier to grow your channel. Once your channel is set up, focus on producing high-quality content that provides value to viewers. Consistency is key, so upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and attract new subscribers. To monetize your YouTube channel, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. This requires meeting certain eligibility criteria, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once accepted, you can enable monetization features like ads, which generate revenue based on views and ad interactions. Ads are the most common way to earn money on YouTube, but they may not provide substantial income unless your channel has a large audience. To maximize ad revenue, create longer videos, 10 minutes or more, to include mid-roll ads and focus on increasing watch time by making engaging content. Beyond ads, there are several other ways to earn money from YouTube. Sponsorships and brand deals are lucrative options where companies pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. Brands often reach out to creators with a sizable and engaged audience, so building a strong community is essential. Affiliate marketing is another method where you earn commissions by promoting products and including affiliate links in your video descriptions. When viewers purchase through your links, you receive a percentage of the sale. Selling merchandise, such as branded clothing or accessories, is also a great way to monetize your channel if you have a loyal fan base. YouTube Premium revenue is another stream where you earn a share of the subscription fee paid by YouTube Premium members who watch your content. Additionally, Super Chats and Super Stickers during live streams allow viewers to pay to highlight their messages, providing direct income. Channel memberships enable fans to pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon can also supplement your income by offering supporters exclusive content in exchange for donations. To succeed on YouTube, focus on optimizing your videos for search engines by using relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Engaging thumbnails and compelling titles can improve click-through rates, while high-quality audio and visuals enhance viewer retention. Interact with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging subscriptions and likes. Collaborating with other creators can help you reach new audiences and grow your channel faster. Earning money from YouTube takes time and effort, but with persistence and the right strategies, it can become a sustainable income source. Diversifying your revenue streams and continuously improving your content will increase your chances of success. Stay patient, adapt to trends, and keep your audience at the center of your efforts to build a profitable YouTube channel.